We grow them in Oregon. We eat them in school.
Cucumbers are really good for us. And they're cucumbers! Cucumbers! I love cucumbers. So, let me eat them.
Cucumbers.
We're cool as a cucumber. Cool as a cucumber. Cool as a cucumber. Yeah. I'm cool. Cucumbers are very watery.
Cucumbers. You should always try new things. So I always like juggling things. I've never juggled cukes before. Let's try it and see what it looks like. Success! Cucumbers. Did you know cucumbers are loaded with water? Have you ever tried cucumber water? It's my favorite drink.
I drink water.
Drink lots of water.
I drink water.
Drinking water's good.
I love cucumbers.
You love cucumbers.
This is Marianne. Marianne loves cucumbers. I swear she does. Marianne just drank some water, so apparently she's not thirsty and she doesn't want any cucumber, which is full of water.
Cheers to crunching your thirst with cucumber water. We're cool as a cucumber. Cucumbers are very watery. They are very good for your body and they make you strong. Cucumbers are very healthy. You can chop it up and put it in water and make cucumber water. The cucumber will make it salty but sweet. I'm gonna go make some cucumber water. Come on. Today we're making cucumber water out of this, and this. First, I'm going to shred all the skin off. You want to try to get all of the skin off on the outside. Of course, some people like the outside, but for what we're making right now, we don't need it. So peel, peel, peel. And just keep slicing till it is gone. It feels like petting a watering cat. And it smells good too. We're done peeling. Now it's time to start cutting. You always want your fingers in the middle with your thumb tucking behind so you don't accidentally cut yourself. Let's start. We're gonna make some slices so we can put them in our water. Isn't it fascinating how you can eat these seeds? These are the same seeds that we plant cucumbers with, except they're not that watery. Here is a close-up of a seed. This is inside of this. Now we're gonna make some cucumber water. The next step is to pour the water. Of course, it's fine to put the cucumbers first, but water is better first. Cucumbers will make it sweet and salty. Now the star. Cucumbers! Cucumbers! That looks so refreshing. If you want to be fancy, you can cut a small bit out of it and put it to the side. Voila! And, of course, if you have extra, give them to me. Cheers to crunching your thirst with cucumber water! Refreshing. Can I try? My sister likes it too. All I want to do is drink it. Very cucumbery. Very cucumbery.
So when you plant a cucumber seed, it grows up. The first thing you see is a bony stem, and then the stem comes up and leaves come out of it, and then flowers, and then fruit. And the fruit turns out to be the cucumber. This is the fruit. You cut it open and there's seeds inside and lots of water.
Cucumbers are actually fruit. Did you know that?
Okay, we're planting cucumbers, guys. So first we're gonna look and do an experiment and see where the seeds come from. Okay, check this out. so look, we're gonna look at all these seeds and where they came from, and look at all this water coming out as I take out the seeds. Look at that, it's full of water, because cucumbers are packed with water. Emma, do you wanna look at one of the seeds? Mm-hmm. Look at that. Yeah, and then they get dried out. What's in that cup, girls?
Seeds that
From the cucumber?
seeds that are really healthy for us.
Yes, because you can eat them too, huh? So these are the ones you can eat that are in the fresh cucumber. And then these are the dried out seeds, and these are the ones we're gonna plant today. And we're gonna get them in the ground so that they turn into cucumbers later in the summer.
Well, let's get started.
Okay, so do you guys remember earlier in the spring, what did we do with this?
We made cucumbers in it.
Yeah, so we planted some seeds in this one actually.
Oh,
We
wait.
planted, and look at them now. They're already getting bigger. So now we're ready to put this one in the ground, because one way we know is that it has the 3 different kinds of leaves in it. Okay, so let's plant some more seeds. We'll put them in our windowsill again. So we're gonna plant in our milk cartons from our school lunches. And then why don't you take 3 seeds? So put 3 and then cover it up. Okay, so this one is the one we planted about 2 weeks ago. And then this is the one that is grown longer in our windowsill. We're ready to plant it today. It looks like it's really strong, and it's gonna make it through the summer to make cucumbers. Do you wanna dig a hole for us to put this in?
Yeah.
Okay, you can use your hands or your shovel and just get a little hole for us.
This cucumber plant's new name is Jerry.
Jerry. Okay, look at all those roots. Look how healthy it is. And nutrients in there. So it's ready to get into a big cucumber. Okay, Kate, do you want to put some dirt around it? Let's do it together. We can use our hands or our shovel. What did you name it again?
Jerry.
Jerry. Okay, look.
But are you sure he's done? I think he's missing something.
What else do you think you would put on Jerry?
Water.
Water, yes.
Water. I want to water it.
Okay.
Plants need water, or else they would just be dry.
That's
Roots
right.
need a long, nice drink.
Yeah, the roots are gonna drink up all that water and help it grow, just like our watery cucumber.
I have an idea. Maybe we can all do it together.
Oh, let's do it together. Okay, ready, Emmy? Let's do it
We
together.
can do it on our own, but it's much more fun together.
It's so much more fun together. Okay, so what are you guys gonna do every single day?
Water it.
Yeah, you are.
Wait, but how much water do you use?
Well, you want to keep the soil wet, a little moist. You don't want it to get dry, so you'll have to come out and test it and make sure it's a little moist, just like you did with these in the house. You did so good.
It looks like he's taking a shower.
Ah!
Everyone needs water.
Dear.
But what will a cucumber look like if we don't water it?
You'll probably die, huh?
Good luck, Jerry. I hope you become a strong and healthy cucumber. Cucumbers are very watery. Cucumber equals watery vegetable.
To learn more about,
Cucumbers!
search Oregon Harvest for schools.